Trader's Work is a financial educational service designed to help traders and investors succeed through the platform, offering live trading, trading strategies, signals, and copy trades. We don't just teach how to trade, we practice to master it and trade together to make profit.
Ulitin natin, ito yung trend line ng 4 hours, tapos na-break niya dito. So, ang lower low, higher high, hindi na siya valid dito, no? Kasi na-break niya na, so may tendency hindi na pwede umakyat doon. Kasi ang market hindi gumawa ng higher high dito. Ito yung previous na training natin. So, na-break niya. Ngayon, nandito na si market. Yung nga lang, itong market na to, gumawa nga siya ng channel. Yan. So, ito yung price na nag-sell tayo kagabi. Nasa area siya ng resistance of channel. And ang sinusunod natin is itong technical analysis na channel na to. Yung 8:30, may possibility, babagsak na naman to. So, may tendency, magpipake lang siya dyan. Pag fake niya sa taas, pwede pa akong mag-sell ulit. Kukunin ko yung profit na to sa baba. Kung ang forecast ko is positive kay non-farm payroll, kay NFP. Kung na-download nyo to, dalawa ang choices natin mag-forecast ng fundamental. Either forecast data based on history result or wait for the result to enter the trades. Alright? So, ganun. Dalawa yung choice ko. So, sa unang choice ko ngayon, nag-forecast ako. Ang forecast ko ginamit is yung previous history, which is ang last month is 850k, tapos yung forecast ngayon 850k, ang forecast is 870. So malamang possible to kasi ang nag-forecast nito is Bureau of Labor Statistics. Isang logic pa dito is almost lahat is vaccinated sa US. So ibig sabihin possibility etong US dollar na to maganda. And then kung sakali man maaakyat siya, mataas yung employment change niya, actual greater than forecast is good for currency. So, ito yung reason na yun. That's why I'm holding this trade. Nakuha to, calculation candle. So,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You don't need to complicate your fundamental side. Ano yung nakikita natin na trade? Just follow the trade. So, example ito, non-farm payroll, 5 minutes na lang na mangyayari na siya. 5 minutes. Are you ready, guys? So, i-ready nyo ngayon, pwede tayong mag-trade ng price action. Mag-trade natin, pwede tayong mag-trade ng price action. So, I'm going to ready my lot size para pag akyat baba, I can still click buy and sell. And naka-ready rin yung mga X na to, madali lang siya. So, since I'm using a hybrid broker, mabilis yung execution ko. Alright? Pero pag hindi hybrid broker yung ginagamit mo, minsan magre-recode siya. Ngayon, titignan natin. Ilan minutes na lang? Meron na lang tayo na 4 minutes. Yun na. See? Ibig sabihin, bumabagsak pa siya. Alright? Good job. Babagsak niya dito. Pwede na. I think now I can close the trade. Okay? Na-close ko na yung trade. Umakyat siya ulit. Alright, now, kahit hindi mo natignan yung data, mapapansin mo na doon, ibig sabihin, positive ba to? Pero pag yun, positive siya. Okay, now, magsak si data, bakit ko close? Bakit ko close dito? Kasi malapit na siya. The rules na naman ng take profit. Close your trade before resistance or support area. GBP, umakyat siya ulit, see? Umakyat siya ulit, no? Nasa area na siya ng channel na to. Okay, so what is the good thing to do? We can also sell another one. Okay, sell na naman dapat dito pero hindi ako nakapag-sell. Sayang. So nag-sell ako dyan. Bakit? Kasi positive ang US dollar. So ibig sabihin, I have 90% accuracy trading forecast. Now, look what happened to the market now. Mapaprofit tayo ulit, right? Ulit. Look what happened to GBP. Bakit resistance and support ay pinaprioritize natin yung resistance and support kasi binabalikan niya, guys. Alright, now you can complicate your trade or you can just follow this type of price action. Diba natakal ko to price action? Ang stop loss, ang resistance and support stop over. Kahit anong mangyari, babalikan niya yan. Especially pag nasa loob siya ng day trading resistance and support. Okay, so ibig sabihin possible yan. Kailangan yung makabisado yung resistance and support. That's why Resistance and support, inuulit-ulit natin. And at this moment, in traders work, sa traders work, naintindihan nyo na ang resistance and support is by time frame. Hindi lang yan ang resistance, yan ang support, no. You need to calculate the total length kung logic ba siya sa day trade. Kung nandito siya 300 pips or 90 pips, then probably it won't happen. Kaya ang target natin 30 pips lang reasonable because of this kind of movement. Okay, hindi tayo nag-expect ng 60 pips kasi 1 hour lang yung data. Pwede?
Yes. Yes.
So what do you think about the strategy and what do you think about our trade so far? Ang galing, no? So sa GBP, congratulations guys. Kung meron man sa inyo na nag-profit, tahimik-tahimik lang, then congratulations. Okay? Nice. Now, look at my reason, my trading strategy. Simple lang, not complicated, napofocus lang ako isa, dalawa, sakto lang yung profit, hindi rin malaki yung loss. So, simple yung trade ko. So, sino-sino pa nag-profit dyan kay GBP? Since kahapon, nag-trade tayo ng sa signals. Okay, meron tayong signal since kahapon, kagabi. That's why I just asked. Selling GBP, itong price. Selling GBP 4939, take profit 83. So 83 na ba yan? Balikan natin si Euro. 83 na ba siya? Wala pa, nandito pa sa baba. So kanina yung, di ba kanina yung candle, inintay natin na gumawa siya ng lower low, which is nangyari, gumawa pa siya ng lower low. Ngayon, inaingatan ko na naman yung area kung pwede niyang ma-break or hindi. Alright? Pero at this moment, nasa support na siya. So anong rules natin pag nasa support? If possible, we take the profit. So probably ito, i-minimize ko yung isang profit. Okay? Yan, profit mo yung isa. So yung isa, pwede ko lang hayaan. Tapos yung buy stop ko na nilagay ko dalawa, same. Yan. So ito, kung tuloy-tuloy siya pababa, maganda. Kung aakyat siya, profit pa rin ako. Okay, kung market siya, profit pa rin ako. Now, yes, so let's check back the trades. Guys, congratulations who managed to copy and follow our trade. GBP is still successfully going down. USD SketchUp, we achieve our target this month. We achieve at least 18,000 USD and then plus 6,000, at least 23,000 this month target achievable. And guys, see you in our next session. Congratulations to all of you who managed to make profit, learn a strategy.
Traders Work provides consulting and education training only. This is not personal advice and no individual needs or circumstances have been considered, nor is this an offer to buy or sell financial products or securities. All education strategies and trading signals are based on traders' trades. Trading Forex and leveraged financial instruments involves significant risk and can result in the loss of your invested capital. You should not invest more than you can afford to lose and should ensure that you fully understand the risk involved. Make sure to learn first before you trade, or get our full training service and practice with experienced traders for only $88 US.